everyone, welcome back to the TechLog YouTube channel. Today for this video of TechLog, I will be showing you how you can add a AOL mail in Gmail. You need to do this process on a Google browser. You cannot do this from your phone application or the Gmail app. So first thing is you need to go to the Google Chrome and then click open new tab. There open the Gmail, first thing first. Now once you're logged in into the Gmail, you need to go to the setting over here on the top right, click that. Then you click on see all setting. This will open the setting page in the web page. Once you're at the general setting, you need to go to accounts and import, click that. And here you will have the option to make changes on your accounts. In the accounts and import, you need to scroll down to the option check mail from other accounts. And then you click on add a mail account. Now this will give you an option to add a mail to your Gmail account. Here in the text box you need to type in the AOL mail. Type in the mail. Now once you typed in the AOL mail, you click on next. You can either import emails from this AOL mail to your Gmail inbox, or you can link the account using Gmailify. With Gmailify, you keep both email addresses but can manage emails from both using your Gmail inbox. You choose the option that is appropriate for you and then click on next. Now you need to log in into the AOL account. There's your email address. Click on next. Type in the password. Then click on next. By agreeing, you will allow Gmail to access your AOL mail, read and write, and profile. You click on agree. Now once you agree, you will have the access of your AOL mail through Gmail. You can now manage your AOL email from Gmail. Click on close and there you can see the AOL mail being added on your Gmail. This is a way how you can add AOL mail to Gmail. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.